Good stuff, ain't it? Good stuff. Yum, yum. Like that. Come here, Reba. Reba, come here, baby. Come here, Reba. Here's a bowl. I'm ready to go in the garden today and be picking some stuff, and I'm excited because we have been already getting out squash, the greens of my girls. I've been feeding them for the fresh kale and lettuce and spinach and all that good stuff, but it's been helping with the with the prices and everything. It's been really helping me with my food bill for my chickens, and they're still getting good food for them, so, and the stuff that they need. So today I'm gonna be picking and cleaning some garden, some around the plants, and we'll see what we get today. Why don't you come along? Come on. Come on. There you go. I know. Go get you some. I'm here a little bit weed eating right now. I am checking for squash bugs and to kind of keep an eye on them so they're not going to get so infested. So far I haven't really seen any yet, but this can change, so I'm trying to kind of stay up the game and try to keep an eye on my squash, or I'm going to lose a lot of my squash if I don't. So I went ahead and weeded around the plants just a little bit. So it's easier to for them to grow. Plus it helps me when it's ready for them to pick. I don't have to dig in high grass. So hopefully this will work with those. I still got to do those in the back right there. And so I've been checking the back sides of my leaves off my squash, because everybody's talking about the squash bug, and I've been trying to keep an eye on it. So I've been checking the leaves here and turning them around and making sure there's nothing going on. So I want to keep an eye on that. Now I'm going to be working on the tomatoes. There are a lot of tomatoes in there because I overgrown them. I'm going to go ahead and trim the ones that does not have any blooms. I'm going to be trimming them. So like this one right here has no blooms. It's just a freeloader right there. So I'm going to trim those. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if y'all can see this right here. These were on the tomatoes. So I went ahead and cut those off because this was like a off branch that was not producing. So I won't go ahead and get rid of this one. And I only cut the ones don't have no blooms on them, so this is one thing I'm checking right now. So, and I'm gonna have to get something for those bugs because I have these little bugs. It seems like on everywhere on the side of the area, so I'm gonna have to get something and protect my plants here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull some of this high grass out here by my beans and maybe see what I can do over here about my onions, so it's gonna be totally taken over by grass. So I'm gonna be doing that here, and after that I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop pulling the weeds and clean up a little bit, because I'm getting way too hot out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and have to my nose I'm just like sweating like crazy. I'm going to have to go inside and cool off, but I'm going to still go ahead and pick what I was going to get out the garden today. And I'm going to have to call it a quits because it is just too hot, and we're still planning on going to the farm later and cleaning up over there. So I'm going to have to take a break in between. So, but I'm going to put a little bit more grass over here, and yeah, I went ahead and cleaned up the tomatoes. Let me show y'all real quick what I've done. So I went ahead and pruned my tomatoes as best I can right now. And plus, with them being so crowded in here, now me pruning them also gives them a little bit more light in there. So yes, you can see through again. So that's going to help my tomatoes to grow better too. So I got that done. And hopefully, if I want to put some of that stuff on, and the bugs will go away too. So we'll see. Now to the fun part. That's why I'm going to be enjoying the little garden. By pulling weeds, not so much, but I'm going to start with the peas, and I got quite a few I want to pick. Let me show y'all. Check these out. I got quite a bit of peas that I'm going to be picking. I don't want to wait till they're too big, is I have to actually peel them. But I want to be able to, you know, eat the whole thing. So this is my first time picking peas, so I'm really not 100 ways sure how to peel them or how to pull them off. So if I'm doing it wrong, please let me know, because this is my first time really growing peas. So I'm going to leave the ones are kind of still small on there and pick only the ones need picking. Do I need shears for this? Not bad for my first pick. So I want to check my potatoes over here and see how they're doing. And you know, if they're not ready yet, and I'll just at least have some baby potatoes. So that German sometimes gets in my way. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna be doing next. Check this out. This is so awesome. This is so cool. Baby tomato potato. Oh, there's a big one right here. Let me go get the pork. And then we're gonna start taking some off. Wow, that's one big potato right here. Oh, check this out. This is so cool. What a big potato. Oh, wow. I am so super excited right now. And this is just one potato plant. This is awesome, really. I am super excited. I got water dripping, sweat dripping in my nose, but I don't care right now. This is so super exciting. I might just go ahead and dig the rest, some of them, other ones up that I believe it's ready, but I am so ready. I'm sorry, I don't even know what to say, really. This is a big harvest from just one plant. Let me show you the rest in the basket. Check this out. I'm speechless. I am speechless. And I got my peas and a green tomato and a couple beans, but even with all this grass overgrown with the COVID and everything, this is so worth it. My heart is full of joy right now. I can't explain how I feel right now. I'm super excited. I might go ahead and dig that one up too. So I got a few purple potatoes right here. I didn't get a whole bunch of those, but hey, I'm not complaining. So I'm probably going to wait on the rest of the tomatoes that I'm going to pull up. These are potatoes. So I'm going to wait on them just a little longer, and I'm going to be taking those inside the house. Yay! I'm super excited. Not bad, is it? Yeah, this just brings me totally joy seeing that. I'm going inside. It is really hot out here, and before I'm going to overheat here, I'm going to pass out. I need to go inside. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all please push subscribe and push the bell, it would really help me out grow my channel. And also, stay safe. God bless y'all. See you next video. Bye.